Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to turn off comments and now on YouTube. So first and foremost, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your YouTube application. Launch or open your YouTube application and click your profile at the bottom right corner. Now you have to look for view channel under your name here. So click view channel, and once you tap this view channel, it will take you directly to this. Now here, what you're going to do next is to click this manage videos. Once you tap this manage videos, then you can see all the videos that you have, your shorts and your live. So what you're going to do here is to click that specific video, example this one, or you can just simply go back and then tap this three dots beside and click edit. So as you can see, edit video. What you're going to do next is to scroll down till you see these comments, and all you have to do is to click this one and you will see your options. Now what you're going to do is to tap off, and that's it. Now if you go back, then you will see here that your comment section has been turned off, and you just have to click save, and that's it. So if you have found this video helpful, or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.